The collaborative problem-solving process is based on interests rather than on positions. Folks involved in interest-based negotiation focus on why they want what they want in order to ensure that they've truly identified their interests, instead of miring themselves in an entrenched position simply because they find themselves during heated negotiation taking a position in opposition to the so-called opposing party. The collaborative team supports the clients as they work through a series of established steps to find solutions to their issues, to find resolutions that will satisfy their interests. The first step is to establish the ground rules. Ground rules are important because they facilitate communication throughout the entire process. Some examples of ground rules are to be polite, be patient, be honest, listen actively without interrupting, speak only for yourself, using I statements instead of you statements. The second step is to identify and prioritize your interests and concerns. Focusing on positions, not on interests, limits settlement options because the clients aren't able to see that there's more than one way to resolve issues. In the collaborative process, the professional team works to focus the participants on achieving their goals rather than on demanding their positions, so that the clients can see that there are multiple options that will accomplish the same goals. The temporary issues and concerns are addressed first because clients won't be able to effectively negotiate if they're fixated on urgent issues that they feel must be addressed now. Once interests are identified, the third step is to gather and exchange information. The clients will review financial and other important information with the appropriate neutral professional, as well as with their lawyer. This exchange of information allows the clients to be fully aware and prepared for the discussions that will take place around the conference table. The fourth step is to brainstorm possible options for solving the particular issues of the case. Brainstorming happens in a relaxed and casual atmosphere in which both parties feel that they're being heard. It happens at a relatively fast pace, so that the clients don't have time to self-evaluate or to arrive at preconceptions about options. The idea is to explore as many options as possible and not to judge any as they are suggested. The fifth and final step is to evaluate the options. The clients will determine how well their interests can be met by the proposed solutions. The team will discuss the costs and benefits of each proposal. Ultimately, the clients decide which option suits their need for each particular issue. I'm Jenkins. I'm a lawyer for families. I'm a collaborative lawyer.